How can I stop snoring ASAP? It's important to maintain a healthy weight with diet and exercise, cut back on alcohol, cut back on smoking, keep your bedroom humid, treat allergies, and consider purchasing an anti-snore pillow. It's very important to have a sleep study analysis to rule out sleep apnea. Sleep apnea is dangerous. Is snoring a sign of bad health? Snoring once in a while isn't usually a serious problem. It's mostly a nuisance for your bed partner. Snoring can itself be a symptom of a health problem like obstructive sleep apnea. If you snore often or very loudly, you might need medical help so you, and your loved ones, can get a good night's sleep and you are safe from having heart issues due to sleep apnea. What happens during sleep apnea? Sleep apnea happens when your airway becomes blocked or collapses during the night. Each time your breathing restarts, you might let out a loud snore that wakes both you and your bed partner because usually you are gasping for air, which is dangerous. Can sleep apnea kill you? It increases daytime sleepiness and may contribute to accidents. As mentioned previously, it can lead to heart attack, heart arrhythmias, and strokes. In short, untreated sleep apnea can kill you. The dangers of snoring scare me and I need help. How can I stop snoring? Very simply, click the link below this video for a more in-depth, easy to understand explanation and a 3-minute solution guaranteed to work.